Welcome back to Vehicle Inspector. Prepare to be blown away by this incredible 2025 model. Official computer images have been leaked online, providing an exciting glimpse into the future. Recent spy photos have unveiled important information about this renowned machine. The 2025 Skoda Kylaq is a highly anticipated compact SUV set to make a splash in the market with its expected launch in March 2025. Designed to offer a mix of performance, style, and practicality, the Kylaq aims to cater to a broad audience looking for an affordable yet capable vehicle. The Skoda Kylaq is a new addition to Skoda's lineup, particularly designed to compete in the compact SUV segment. This model is expected to be priced between 8 Indian rupees to 12 lakhs, making it a competitive option against rivals like the Citroen Basalt and Tata Nexon. The Kylaq will feature a 998 cubic centimeters engine, which is a notable aspect of its design, promising decent power output for its class. The Kylaq is expected to carry forward Skoda's signature design language, but with modern touches that cater to the SUV market. It will likely feature a robust front grille, sharp LED headlamps, and a muscular stance that gives it a commanding presence on the road. The exterior is expected to be both stylish and functional, incorporating elements that highlight its ruggedness while maintaining an urban-friendly aesthetic. Inside, the Skoda Kylaq is expected to offer a well-appointed cabin with quality materials and a range of modern features. While specific details are yet to be fully disclosed, it is anticipated that the SUV will include a touchscreen infotainment system, climate control, and possibly even premium upholstery in higher trims. The interior will focus on comfort and convenience, making it a pleasant space for both short trips and long journeys. The Skoda Kylaq is expected to deliver competitive mileage, aligning with the efficiency standards of the compact SUV segment. While exact figures have not been confirmed, it is likely to offer mileage figures that appeal to budget-conscious buyers, balancing power and fuel efficiency effectively. As mentioned earlier, the Skoda Kylaq is expected to be priced between 8 Indian rupees to 12 lakhs, making it an attractive option for those looking for a budget-friendly compact SUV. The launch is anticipated in March 2025, with bookings likely to open a few months before the official release. The Skoda Kylaq is set to be a strong contender in the compact SUV market, offering a blend of style, practicality, and affordability. Whether you're a first-time buyer or looking to upgrade, the Kylaq might just be the perfect fit for your needs.